Hello everyone, welcome to Pleasant Notes. Here is another new chapter, chapter 4 Angles and Pair of Angles, where we get to learn different types of angles and the sums related it that we are going to solve. So let us solve the practice set 15. Question number 1. Observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. The figure in which we can see the angle AWB and some points are given. Some points are present at the interior part of this angle AWB, some are on outside and some are on the angle itself. So let us differentiate them. Here points R, N, C and X lies inside the angle, whereas points T, U, Q, V, Y are present outside the angle or outside part of the angle, and the points A, W, G and B lies on the angle. This we have to write the answer in the given table. Points in the interior, exterior and on the arms of the angle. Question number 2. Name the pairs of adjacent angles in the figures below. So one figure is there in which here the adjacent angle is that angle in which one common vertex is present and one common arm is present. Generally the angles are having two arms. The one of the arms should be common. Here angle ANB is adjacent to angle CNB. Angle BNC is adjacent to angle ANC. And angle ANC is adjacent to angle ANB again. So these are the pairs of adjacent angles where we can find the common vertex as N and their related common arms. The pairs of adjacent angles are angle ANB and angle CNB, angle ANC and angle BNC, angle ANC and angle ANB. Next diagram is this, in which we have to find the pair of adjacent angle. Again the same concept, common arm and common vertex. Here in this diagram, Q is the common vertex in the angles PQR and PQT, and PQ is the common arm. Therefore the pair of adjacent angle here we can find angle PQR and angle PQT. Next question. Are the following pairs adjacent angles? Here the diagram is given. Which are the angles are there in this diagram? Angle NMR, RMS, angle SMQ, angle QMT and angle TMR or PP, TMP. So here in all these angles, the M is the common vertex that we can easily find. Now here after some pairs of angles are given, so we have to find whether they are adjacent or not. If the pair of angles are not adjacent, then we have to state here the reason. The first pair of angle is angle PMQ and angle RMQ, in which MQ is the common arm and M is the vertex, common vertex. Therefore they are the pair of adjacent angle, or this one is the pair of adjacent angles. Second one, angle RMQ and angle SMR. In angle RMQ and angle SMR, we have M as the common vertex but don't have common arm. Therefore, angle RMQ and angle SMR are not adjacent angles. Question number 3. Angle RMS and angle RMT. In angle RMS and RMT, we have M as the common vertex but don't have common arm. Therefore, angle RMS and angle RMT are not adjacent angles. Fourth one pair of angle is angle SMT and angle RMS. Angle SMT and angle RMS, we have M as the common vertex and SMMS is the common arm. Therefore, this one is the pair of adjacent angles. Therefore, angle SMT and angle RMS are adjacent angles. Here we complete the practice sheet 15. I hope you understood the examples. Practice these. For further practice sets, please subscribe the channel.